Say goodbye to check bags and hello to smarter packing with Yoyovac. This game changer has completely transformed how I travel. With its top open design, packing is so easy. Yoyovac compresses my clothes by up to 90%, saving me tons of space. Whether I'm heading to the mountains or keeping it light for city travel, it's a total lifesaver. Take a look at this. Here's a before and after comparison. On the left, my clothes are taking up a lot of room, but after compression, it's a whole different story. Tight, compact, and ready to go. Imagine the space you can save. And that's not all. Yoyovac is built to last. Completely waterproof, odor-proof, dust-proof, and smoke-proof. I put it to the test. Splashing water, exposing it to smoke, and it passed with flying colors. No matter the conditions, this bag handles it all. Nothing gets through, and my clothes stay fresh and dry. This is durability you can rely on. As someone who loves the outdoors, this is perfect. I compressed all my essentials back at the hotel, and unpacking here was a breeze. Everything is fresh, dry, and ready to use. Plus, with global tracking, I always know where my Yoyovac is. It's peace of mind right in the palm of your hand. Yoyovac isn't just a packing tool, it's a travel essential. Durable, compact, and perfect for any adventure. Get yours now and pack smarter today. Visit Kickstarter.com to learn more or order yours today.